In this video, we are going to discuss about the application of the instant matrix and the reduced matrix in determining the number of tree. Now, to determine the number of tree, we need the reduced matrix. Now, how we obtain the reduced matrix? Now, we get the reduced matrix from the instant matrix when we remove one of the row from the instant matrix. Now, that reduced matrix we are multiplying with its own transpose. So, and then after all, we are finding, then after that, we are finding the determinant, and then the final answer is our number of trees. So, to calculate the number of trees in the graph is given by determinant of reduced matrix times transpose of the reduced matrix. Okay, let's look into the small exercise here. Determine the number of trees. Okay, that's a huge mistake. Number of tree for the graph shown in figure below. Now this is the figure that you have. Okay, now this is the oriented graph. From this oriented graph, you can try to determine the instant matrix. From the instant matrix, remove any of the row, and then when you remove any of the row, your instant matrix become the reduced matrix. And then once you have reduced matrix, you can just transpose this one. Then later on multiply the reduced matrix with this transpose, A transpose, and then find the determinant, and you'll get the number of tree. So here is the hint: find A transpose where A is the reduced matrix. Okay, let's look into another example. Now here we have a complete solution. You have A here, the reduced matrix is already given. Now from this, so you can make a transpose, A transpose. Okay, here we have a reduced matrix is given here, and then from here you can make a transpose and then multiply. Then after that, okay, when you multiply, you'll get like this. When you multiply the reduced matrix and the A transpose, you'll get like this. And then after that, find the determinant, and then your final answer is equal to 16. So number of tree in for given reduced matrix is 16. So this is how you should be calculating the number of tree from the given graph. In the second example, in this example, we are already into the reduced matrix, but for the first example, only graph is given. So from the graph, you have to determine the instant matrix. From the instant matrix, you have to determine the reduced matrix, and then from the reduced matrix, you have to substitute in that given formula. So that's it. And then in the next class, we're going to discuss about the die-set matrix or the loop matrix, which is represented by the P subscript A.